You ready?
Yeah. 22-year-old Donnell Gamble revels in the joy of being a father to his 2-year-old son. But a violent encounter 3 years ago threatened all of that.
I was stabbed up 7 times in my head and multiple lacerations to my arms and hands and to my body. Got robbed on Rogers Avenue, and I was coming home from work.
He says 4 guys jumped him in this alley. One of them pulled a 13-inch knife on him. He ended up at Sinai Hospital's intensive care unit.
This was a critical time in my life because I was just getting ready to go to court to get custody of my son, who was taken from his mother.
All right, so see you tomorrow? Yeah. All right.
Ademola Ekolona is the program director of the Coogee Center for Youth Development at Sinai Hospital. In addition to helping with employment and education, the center runs a street violence intervention program. He found out Gamble was a victim of violence at the hospital and went to his room. He says it's important to reach the victim as soon as possible.
Because that period of being in the bed and getting attention from the medical professionals gives young men and women a time to think. They begin to reconstruct what happened and say, where do I go from here?
Along with reconstructing what happened, Ekolona wanted to offer the center's services, help with employment and education, and to make sure Gamble stayed out of the revenge game.
Coming from where I come from, you gotta go back to get yours. So I wasn't trying to hear that, leave it alone or walk away, be the bigger man.
But the intervention worked.
We accompanied him to court and explained to the court the various aspects of the program and services that he could get from associating with community initiatives in Coogee Chagalia Center, and the court agreed.
Now Gamble has custody of his son and works at the Coogee Center as an intern producing their social media. He is looking for a permanent opportunity. The center works daily to identify those who come into the hospital for injuries that are the result of violence. Maurice Barksdale is a hospital responder who checks hospital intake. He found a gunshot victim and went to his room to offer resources to try to break the circle of violence.
I'm going to ask him about mediation as far as retaliating with whoever shot him.
And his dad is all on board?
Yes, his dad is very positive. I spoke with him yesterday. He was all with it. And I think he'd be a good fit for the program.
The Coogee Center is also focused on keeping the people they work with safe. If they need to move out of their neighborhood, they can help find the funds to relocate them.
If it hadn't been for them, I'd either be dead or in jail, to really be honest.
Now he has a fighting chance to give his son the best life he can. Lisa Robinson, WBAL TV 11 News.
Boy, wish Donnell and his young son the best. Now, the grant for Gamble's internship runs out on July 30th. He's now in search of a job. The Coogee Center has been open since 2014. 85 young people have taken a part of that program. The program works closely with Safe Streets Baltimore.
Great program.